In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds from eBay to bank. If you've recently sold something on eBay and you want to move that money into your bank account, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through exactly how to find your available funds and what to check before transferring anything. To get started, log into your eBay account and go to the top part of the page. From there, hover your mouse over My eBay. This opens the account menu where you can access different sections related to your buying, selling, and account activity. Take your time here so you don't accidentally click the wrong option. Once that menu appears, click on Payments. This is the section where eBay shows your payment activity, available funds, and payout details. It's essentially the area that helps you keep track of the money coming in from your sales. If you're using a desktop browser, this should be easy to find from the My eBay menu. After opening the Payments section, you'll be able to see your balance. This balance reflects how much money is available based on the items you've sold. Depending on your account status and eBay's processing schedule, the amount shown here may be the full amount available for payout, or it may still be processing. It's a good idea to review the balance carefully so you know exactly what's ready to move. If you don't see any balance here, that usually means there are currently no available funds in your account. In simple terms, you may not have sold an item yet, or your payment may still be pending and not released for transfer. So if the balance is empty, don't worry right away. Just check whether your item has been sold and whether the payment has fully cleared. If you do see a balance, the next thing to do is click the arrow next to the balance. This is the option that lets you open more details and continue with the transfer process. From there, you can review where the money is going and proceed with moving the funds to your linked bank account. Before finishing, make sure your bank account is already connected correctly in your eBay payment settings. If it isn't linked, the transfer may not go through as expected. Also, keep in mind that transfer times can vary depending on your bank and eBay's payout schedule, and that's how to transfer funds from eBay to your bank account.